you're already here. So, do you know what I'm teaching you today? Today I'm going to teach you make sentence. Before this video, I have done word meaning and make sentence. And this time, I'm gonna be doing only make sentence. So it's time to do this. So firstly, we have bag. Now let's make a sentence with bag. Maybe let's make I carry my books in my bag. I carry my books in my bag. Now let's make another one. Let's see. My backpack's color is, or you can only say bag. My bag's color is pink. My bag's color is pink. Good job. Now let's go to the next one. Next is pen. Let's make a sentence with pen. Let's see. I have many pens. I have many pens. Now let's make another one. This is my pen. This is my pen. Now let's go to the next one. Next is school. Now let's make a sentence with school. I study in laboratory cadet school. I study in laboratory cadet school. Now let's make another one. My school is lovely. My school is lovely. Sometimes like you love your school is so awesome. You can just say my school is lovely. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. Next is sky. Let's make a sentence with sky. The kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying in the sky. Good job. Now let's make another one. Let's make the clouds are floating in the sky. The clouds are floating in the sky. So it's not cows. I said clouds. Okay? It's this kind of cloud. Let me show you here. Okay? That kind of cloud. Alright? Now let's go to the next one. Oops. The J went off. There. Now next is tree. Now let's make a sentence with tree. What can we make? Let's make trees gives us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Good job. Now let's make another one. Trees help us. Trees help us to get wood and let's see. And shadow. Not like our shadow. When we're just walking and we just got hot, we can just sit under a tree, in a big tree, and then it will have a lot of like space to sleep. Like when you're tired, you like to sleep like that. After school, I'm very tired, then I go to bed. Take a nap. So, we have done tree. Now let's go to the next one. Next is jug. Let's make a sentence with jug. The jug is filled with water. The jug is filled with water. Let's make another one. The jug is beautiful. The jug is beautiful. Good job, everybody. Now, we will revise this from the first to the bottom. Now, let's go this. Go, now, go. Firstly, bag. I carry my books in my bag. I carry my books in my bag. And the next one, my bag's color is pink. My bag's color is pink. or you can say backpack. Next is pen. I have many pens. I have many pens. The next one, this is my pen. This is my pen. Good job, everybody. Next is school. Let's make a sentence with school, which is I study in laboratory cadet school. I study in laboratory cadet school. Now, next one is my school is lovely. My school is lovely. Good job, everybody. Next is sky. Now, let's make this. The kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying in the sky. Now, next one is the clouds are floating in the sky. The clouds are floating in the sky. Next, tree. Let's make a sentence with tree. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Now, let's make another one, which is trees help us to get wood and shadow. And remember, not that kind of shadow. Next is jug. Now let's make a sentence with jug. The jug is filled with water. The jug is filled with water. Now let's make our own, which is... Okay, I have made that one, and the other ones was just at my school. And I just thought to make by myself. Now let's go to the jug. The jug is beautiful. The jug is beautiful. Okay, now we have done all the way to the bottom from the first. Now, friends, you have been very good. Now, if you like to learn more, you can just practice this and sometimes make your own. So, did you know that when I have written jug, I have made it by my side. So my miss didn't know what to write with jug. Like, this is make sentence. What should she write? Then I said to my miss, Miss, you can write, the jug is filled with water. The jug is filled with water. Now that was a great one. My miss said, I was thinking about a jug filled with water. I just knowed it, like it was in my head. A jug will be filled with water or juice or milk, anything. So, we have done all the sentences. Make sentence. Now, we have finished it. So, bye friends. See you in the next video. Time to go.